Let's talk about Kim Kardashian West for 1 second. I love to have a little bit of glimmer, but all the glimmer that you buy in the drugstore and everything is too much for a 56-year-old broad, okay? You just can't use it. It's for 20-year-olds. It looks weird. You look like whatever happened to Baby Jane. You don't want that. Kim Kardashian West. Beauty product. First of all, the foundation, the body foundation is ridiculous. So natural and it doesn't transfer. But what I don't think she knows is that this body shimmer, which I bought in rose gold, oh no, in pearl, sorry. I have rose gold as well, is incredible for tattoos. It makes tattoos pop. I don't know if you know this, Kim, but look at this. So you put it on like this. These brushes sell out, so you have to get them real fast. And then you go like this. So what it does is it leaves this beautiful sort of golden sheen, and it makes your tattoos look beautiful. This product, which is a fantastic party product, shimmer for older broads and younger broads, is beautiful for tattoos. Look at that shimmer. It's gorgeous. Thanks, Kim.